Alright, so I just want to do a quick walk around of the roof here. Um, so, yeah, I mean, so really didn't find anything major. There was a few areas of concern, which I'll talk about when I get to them. But yeah, first I gotta work my way down up here on top. Everything seems to be in good shape. Not really anything to talk about besides, there is nails and roof debris, throughout the entire roof. Over time, the nails will rust, and you'll be able to see it. Right now, when you stand on the ground, you can't really see the nails, but eventually, you will be able to see them. Most of them, they're not all. Some of them are aluminum and they won't rust, but you definitely don't want anything that's not shingles or metal on your roof. So I will mention too the downspout extensions. So the builder just puts the downspouts there. They don't extend them to the gutter below. But if you would like to do it yourself, it's a good idea to run it directly into a gutter. That way you're not adding excessive wear onto your shingles, especially in the wintertime too. The ice builds up, and if you have it going into a gutter, you don't have to worry about that ice buildup on your roof. So really the only issues that I found were in the back here. And it looks like damaged shingles, so not quite sure what the damage was from. It's definitely during construction, but this shingle here has a pretty big divot in it, and there's some damage there. Some pretty decent gouges in a couple of these shingles. I'd say in all there might be like 3 to 5 shingles that should probably be replaced. I don't think it's going to leak at the moment, but over time it might become an issue. Certainly taking care of it now would help prevent any issues in the future. Right here there was one ridge capping that had a nail pop on it, so that nail pushed out through that shingle there, so that shingle should be replaced. And then I have a bit of an issue with the last row of shingles here. So where this line is basically below this is the part that's meant to be exposed. Above it is not. It's a different color and there's less granules on it. So really there should be another cut shingle to cover that. So there's that small section there, and then pretty much all along here you can see that section is exposed. Not only does it not look good, but it can wear out prematurely because it's not meant to be exposed. So really the fix is just taking some more shingles and one that's cut and and installing them along that over top of it. Pretty simple fix, but yeah. And then I'm just gonna hop down here. Wanted to point out how this gutter is wavy here, and rainwater is going to run down there behind the gutter, especially down at the end there. And you can see down there where it's actually eroded through that sand, you can see the rock beneath it. So water is definitely getting behind the gutter there. This area here has a little bit of standing water in it as well. So this gutter is not pitched properly either. I mean, it's not too bad, but you can see, just with your eye, you can see that this gutter sort of dips down here when it should be slanted that way to go to the downspout. So yeah, I think that's about it for the roof.